For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
The beginning of digital currencies denoted a progressive time in the realm of money. The flexible scope of digital forms of money offered a plenty of benefits to financial backers. The famous digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, and so on had their own fleeting trend to advance. Nonetheless, they actually hit a test of openness, straightforwardness, and colossal exchange expenses. Allow us to have a speedy look at the ongoing cost and subtleties of BCH and comprehend the Bitcoin Cash cost expectation for what's in store. This was properly tended to by Bitcoin Cash's introduction to the world, represented by BCH in mid-2017 by a gathering of designers. They understood that the colossal capability of Bitcoin could be additionally tackled ideally through a hard fork, subsequently expanding the block size limit. So on August 1, 2017, BCH has started its life. Bitcoin Cash Technical Analysis, Understanding the Nitty-Gritties. A profound entrance into the raw numbers of Bitcoin Cash has a through-and-through various story to uncover. Notwithstanding having large future outcomes, likewise potential and commitments of conveying forward a 8 megabytes block size, the token has many motivations to work harder to coordinate to its size versus its rivals. A significant explanation, hence, is that the two financial backers and excavators side with the parent Bitcoin. BCH is using pretty much 2.1% of its block limit. Aside from that, the specialized rejig could likewise be expected to bring back the cost sheen. The engineers required a ton of patching up to show greater dexterity, rolling out extremist improvements to the task's essentials. This could assist with pushing the BCH cost and market cap to new highs. Be that as it may, the value history of Bitcoin Cash, thinking back, has not been offering too much. It has stayed unpredictable and unequivocally connected with the general market situation. On December 20, 2017, not long after creation, a solitary Bitcoin Cash had a worth of more than $4,000 and the cost expanded. It looks astonishing that the coin has begun losing cash quickly and saw cost drop from that astounding level today definitely. Retail financial backer records lose cash while exchanging spread wagers and are intricate instruments. Bitcoin Cash price predictions, 2022 to 2026. The Bitcoin Cash digital currency market is profoundly unstable, and significant value changes can occur inside the space of minutes because of variables like guidelines, contest, the development of new tech, market opinions, and so on. There are a few expectations given by crypto merchants, devotees or even crypto gauging sites on how Bitcoin Cash value estimate would act from now on. However, Bitcoin Cash needed to put forth an enormous attempt to fork out of its starting point and contend long and hard with its opponent digital forms of money. It isn't long that it would beat during the year 2022. A large portion of the contenders of BCH, as well, didn't hypnotize the dealers by the same token. Nonetheless, the consistency which Bitcoin Cash cost conjecture has attempted to show is in itself a special element to discuss. Its association in different courageous activities has guaranteed that its cost keeps up the force. Bitcoin Cash cost today is exchanging around $385 with a flowing stockpile of 18,958,406.25 BCH. The market capitalization shows a strong $7,322,287,628. Despite the fact that the digital money has endured a few unsettled maneuvers, it makes certain to get back into the game, as inferred by specialists. All the more significantly, the task is doing a ton on the advancement and improvement front, clarifying that Bitcoin Cash cost won't ever go into obscurity. Bitcoin Cash can exchange on Bitcoin's past victories and validity the other digital money world with the similitudes and divided history among the two significant monetary standards. There are hypotheses that the Bitcoin Cash BCH cost will raise a ruckus around town cost of $1,500 mark toward the finish of 2025, considering the guides it has made. As previously mentioned, Bitcoin Cash cost being the posterity of BTC, it is set to follow similar impressions and cost activity as well. Assuming Bitcoin cost is going upwards, the BCH value also will profit from that in practically no time. Numerous specialists exhort that it is smarter to stop your assets in BTC till you accumulate the most extreme and afterward redirect it to Bitcoin Cash cost for momentary additions. With the market being totally capricious, determining the digital currency cost is truly to a greater extent a bet on karma instead of an information-driven estimate. The last year was a distinct advantage, for BCH as well as for the vast majority of the monetary standards, including digital currencies along with fiat. World economies somersaulted definitely considering the pandemic. The equivalent was the situation with Bitcoin Cash. BCH cost forecast from that point forward has begun drifting towards hopefulness than cynicism. Dealers and financial backers have begun wagering on Bitcoin Cash cost for the drawn-out expectations development following it intently. Thus, normal cost expectations for BCH remain very uplifting. Bitcoin Cash price prediction 2022. As indicated by Bitcoin Cash cost expectation 2022, conquering the pandemic will assist with doing a great deal for the market opinion of Bitcoin Cash, BCH. Ready for a rise, Bitcoin Cash cost, as well, will parallelly run with Bitcoin on a similar bullish pattern. However, this is a transient expectation whether the Bitcoin Cash value conjecture will part from the pinnacle. What stays clear is that there's a reason to have hope without a doubt. In the principle around 50% of the Bitcoin Cash cost forecast 2022 is said to arrive at the base cost of $490 and $545 as greatest cost in the last part. The BCH value swings will keep on demonstrating a positive pattern and recapture $550 mark according to our Bitcoin Cash cost expectation from January 2022. At present, Bitcoin Cash value equivalent to $372.08. The ongoing cost of Bitcoin money will transform into $640 in a year's time. However, it relies upon the general opinion for digital currencies throughout the following months. The Bitcoin Cash cost estimate is refreshed on everyday schedule. Bitcoin Cash price prediction 2023. Going by concentrating on present moment in long-haul BCH cost drifts, the coin's cost has been deviating from its way ordinarily every 2 or 3 years. In the main portion of 2023, the Bitcoin Cash cost expectation 2023 is said to arrive at the base cost of $590 and $630 as greatest cost in the final part. Soon, possible, the finish of 2022 or the start of the year 2023 may not